everybody in facing some kind of diseases like diabetic. Diabetic is one of the most important disease nowadays. Those everybody having in their homes. So here I'm going to give you a healing process for advanced in Ho'oponopono for healing this diabetic problem. So this problem, this situation is like diabetic might become through genetic, through from your parents and some kind of this disease might become due to some disorder of your lifestyle and all. So here I would like to give you advanced Ho'oponopono technique here, so it can be heal your diabetic and will give your sugar levels in control. So I'm just going to be started here. Let's see and try to do this every day in the morning and every day in the night also. Day at least do it once in a day for 1 or 8 times, so that it will be easy for you. Otherwise you can use this same video and save it in your library and listen to this while you are sleeping or whenever you get the time. And you cannot able to if you are unable to practice yourself, then you can also listen and cure it. Okay, so let's get started. Sit in a proper place, close your eyes, keep your right hand on your chest, take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. One more time. Try it for one more time. Now repeat the words what I am saying. I take full responsibility of my dear diabetics. I am taking 100% responsibility for my eating habits. I am sorry dear diabetic, for not taking care of you. Please forgive me. I neglected for my eating habits and not considering about my poor healthy lifestyle. Thank you for reminding me. Now is the time to change my healthy lifestyle. I really love you. My dear body, you're still supporting me. And taking care of me. Even when I did not care, when I did not take proper healthy habits, you are still taking care of me. I really love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Now take a deep breath, inhale and exhale one more time. Now relax and open your eyes. Use this prayer for at least 21 to 40 days. Every day do it for morning and also in the evening, and also do the basic Ho'oponopono for diabetic for 108 times every day. So I am going to give you in the next video for 108 times repetition for the diabetic. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it and if you get the result, please come back to this video and give your comments and share your results with me. That will be helpful to someone else who are interested to know about this technique and who are having a little bit of doubt. They can clear their doubts and they can also do this. Thank you so much, guys. Please do follow us on social media, in Instagram and also in the Facebook. Every updates are available in exclusive groups. You can find out in the description box, and also follow our community tab. And I'm requesting each and everyone who are seeing this first time my videos, please do subscribe my channel and also click on the bell button as all, so that you can get each and every update from our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.